Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a very popular Indian vegetarian appetizer recipe that's called chili paneer or paneer chili. Paneer is nothing but cottage cheese and this is an Indo-Chinese fusion recipe. It's absolutely delicious. Let's look at the ingredients. I have taken here about 300 grams of paneer or cottage cheese and have diced it into small cubes like this. You can make a little bigger size as well. Here I have soaked about 4 to 5 Kashmiri chilies in some warm water. Some salt to taste. Vegetables I'm using are green, red and yellow bell peppers and some onions. These are just ballpark, you can use less or more. Some green onions, teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and lots of chopped garlic cloves, about 10 to 12 big pieces. Some soy sauce, some black pepper powder, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour or maida and 1/8 cup of corn flour. Here is a tip that was given to me by a friend is to soak the paneer before use in some warm water to keep it nice and moist and to not let it become too dry. Let's prepare a batter with all-purpose flour, so add it in a bowl, some salt, ginger garlic paste and some pepper powder. Mix everything really well. We are going to add some water and make it a nice flowy consistency. So make sure there are no lumps and keep mixing till you get a nice smooth batter like this. I've also removed water from the paneer now and they are ready to be fried. So in a pan add about 5 to 6 teaspoons of oil and we are going to keep the flame on medium low. We are going to shallow fry the paneer pieces, so dip them in the batter that we just made and put them in the oil. Don't crowd the pan too much, so if needed, fry them in batches. This is to make sure that you get enough space to flip them and fry them evenly. So now I'm here just spreading and trying to add what is comfortable for me to flip them. That should be good enough. Frying on one side, flip them over and we're going to fry on the other side for a few minutes. If they're stuck with each other, just with your hand or with a spoon, just separate them and then fry them evenly to a golden brown color like this. So they look perfectly done. We are going to transfer them in a plate. I'm using a paper towel to soak any extra oil, so you can do the same. Now our first batch is ready. Let's keep it aside. Fry our next batch, we need to add some more oil, so add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil and follow the same process. Just dip them in the batter and put it in the oil and fry them evenly till you get a nice golden brown color. Meanwhile, let's grind the soaked Kashmiri chilies. So this is how they look, nice and red. Let's transfer our second batch. The paneer pieces are nicely fried. Let's keep them on the side. In the same pan, add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. And once it's hot enough, just spread it through and add the finely chopped garlic pieces. Saute them well for a few seconds on a medium-high flame. Soon they'll start to turn golden color. And now they are pretty much done. Let's start adding the onions. Fry them well with the garlic for a few seconds. Add some salt to speed up the process of frying the onions. Mix it well. Now we are going to start adding the vegetables. So add in yellow, green and red bell peppers. Give them a good mix. The color of the peppers gives such a nice look to this dish. Add the freshly made chili paste. Give it a good mix. This chili paste gives that nice red color that we are looking for in our chili paneer dish. Now we'll cover and cook it for 8 to 10 minutes on a medium-low flame. This is to get a little bit done texture to the vegetables, but if you like them crunchy, you can always just cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm also creating a batter with some corn flour and the water. Keep it on the side. Now let's take a look at the vegetables. They look nicely done. Just give it a quick stir. Not too crunchy, not too soft, perfect. Now let's add the soy sauce. You can also add some vinegar if you like. Some black pepper powder. That should be good enough. And add in all the remaining salt. Give it a good mix. Now add the white side of the spring onions. This is to give that color coordination of white as well. Mix it well. Now add 1.5 cups of water. Turn the flame to medium-high. Give it a good mix. Make sure that the vegetables and water kind of come together. And in a minute or two, you will notice that the mixture starts to get a boil. As it does that, just give it a quick toss and now add in the corn flour and water batter. As the mixture starts to get a little thicker, drop in the fried paneer and mix it well. Coat all the paneer pieces with the vegetables and chili paste mixture. It's looking so tempting. Cook it for a minute or two and it's done. Go ahead and switch off the flame. The chili paneer or paneer chili is ready. Let's serve it hot. Garnish it with the spring onions that we saved for the decoration. Now just dig in. It's absolutely delicious, guys. Definitely give it a try. Hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.